Stop grading essays the slow way. Right now, teachers are using ChatGPT to cut their grading time in half. And today I'm breaking down exactly how, step by step.
Grading is one of the most time-consuming parts of teaching. Whether you're checking essays, short answers, homework, or projects, the process can take hours. ChatGPT doesn't replace the teacher. It acts as a teaching assistant that helps you work faster while keeping the final judgment in your hands. Steps to grade essays in ChatGPT. 1. Create a rubric for a grade that is Grade 10, Argumentative Essay with given marks, for example 30 marks. Include organization, grammar, evidence, critical thinking, and creativity. 2. Generate 30 constructive feedback comments for average students writing reports. 3. Evaluate this essay according to the rubric. Give scores for each criterion, explain your reasoning, identify strengths and weaknesses, and suggest improvements. 4. Analyze these answers and identify the 10 most common misconceptions. 5. Based on this student's work, write personalized improvement suggestions in encouraging language. 6. Summarize overall class performance from these scores and comments. Let's do these steps on ChatGPT and see the results.